Hey there guys, please Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily use Dubsado. So when you're gonna enter here, first thing you're gonna click on is start for free. Let's just wait until it loads. Now you just have to fill everything. And Marcus Stone, organic search, email, and password. Don't add my email, add yours of course. Sign up. Okay, and then when you're gonna enter it, here we go with the dashboard. First, brand name, you have to add a phone number, then you have to upload image here with your logo. Let's say that I'm going to add this thing here from nature. And right here, you can have the address line. So I'm going to add city is going to be here. Like this. And then click save. And now, what is important for your business? Now we're gonna choose if you want to how to send a contract, how to send an email, how to send a form. Okay, sorry. Brand settings, understanding projects, how to send an invoice. You choose which one you want and which one for you is really important. So let's say I'm going to have a contract, start tour. And then you're gonna have tutorials for every single thing that you see here. So I'm going to click skip this and we will get to these things, okay? Now, when you're gonna enter Dubsado, you're gonna see the financial goals here. This is like the dashboard, analytics, invoices, revenue indicator, and things like this. On the top, you would see inbox of emails, notifications, and settings. In settings, you can change everything, right? From the branding, from how the dashboard, from financial indicators. Then you get portal here, multi-user. You can invite here users if you want to. Then you're gonna see the receive money, emails. Again, you can brand the email. You can really edit it as much as you want. So let's go to our main tutorial. On the dashboard, you're gonna see projects. When you're gonna click on a project, what you can do is simply click here next to the export is new project. Click on a new project, and then you see right here, project title here, and we can add YouTube project. Then we would have a client here, or I can click here, create a new client. Let's create a new client. First name is going to be Marcus Client. We can add a company name and email address. Like this. Okay, so this is our client, which is going to be a new one. And then select a project status. We can have lead, job, and tags. If you can have tags here, let's say I can add YouTube tag plus. So that's something you can do. And you can add notes and dates. Dates is if it's going to be which dates, etc. Create a project. Okay, and here we go. So as you can see, we're gonna see the project right here. When I would click on the project back, so here, YouTube project, you're gonna see the contract here, and you can change that. Oh, sorry. Then you have tags here, project status, we will get to those. Client, you can edit that. Portal, project location, referral source, right? Then you can invoices here, and you can simply to your project, you can add invoice. So I would click add here, and you see it right here. So we would add an item. We're gonna see the time tracker. So as you can see, it's really complex what you can do and what you can achieve with Dubsado and how we can use Dubsado. So time tracker, invoice number 1, title, YouTube project, and new line item. So I would add an item name, YouTube work, quantity 1, price 50, and I can apply discounts, etc. Add item. So as we can see, we see right here. Then we're gonna see the payment schedules here, and what you can do is to new due date, and you can add it, schedule the payment for it. Then we see right here, recurring invoices. The style is really similar comparing to the invoice list. What you can do, send every 1 month, starts on, ends on, invoice. So let's say that I would be paying for service on, I don't know, about YouTube work, and it's going to be same $1,000 every single month. What I can do is to simply have recurring invoice. Then I have refunds here, invoice options as override, and expenses. And I can simply click here, add expense, amount, method, date, description. So I would add like 50, cash, check, credit, e-transfer, PayPal, Stripe, Square, other, cash, for YouTube work. And name, I can add expensive category if you want to. Click add. And voila, here we have it. Then next to the invoices, we have forms. And I can simply add a new form like sample contract. So that's something you can do. Then we have appointments here. And I can schedule appointment. I can add appointment, new scheduling request, use existing scheduler group again. And title. So new starts, ends. We can go like here. Show me as available or busy. Location, description. Where is going to be the location and what is the description of it? Let's press create here. And then we have an appointment here. Then we have workflows. And you're gonna like active workflow, what is happening right now. See? Tasks. This is pretty straightforward. You can simply click add a task and we can add body. So create a script for YouTube video. Due can be, let's say, 13th of August. YouTube project, assignee myself. You can also make the task private if you want to. Click save. And we would have it right here. And then next to tasks, we have notes. And I can add a note here if I want. So that's something you can do, and that's how it works. Now, what you can do also is when you have everything here, we have our own projects and everything. We can click under reporting. And then we're gonna see the project sources here, project breakdown, invoices, and we see the one invoice here, transactions, the cash, this is my expenses. You can again add income here to your transaction, or you can add expenses to your transaction. Chart of accounts, again, you can export the profit and loss. Reports, the profit here, the expenses, you see clearly here, like the invoices and expenses would be combined. Calendar, this is where you would find everything here, like you would find about the project, about the appointments, about what you have to do, your tasks, literally everything, of course, of your employees too. Under task, we have utilities. So we have a form list here. Address book. Time tracker. So this is something when you would have like time tracker for your project. So we can go YouTube project. We would choose our YouTube project and start it. And voila, here you have it. So you can also add hourly rate. So let's say that I would be creating YouTube project, and then I would have hourly rate of 25. And I could add it to category. And I would start it. And voila, here you got it, rate per hour 25. So this is pretty much it how we do it. And this is how we can use time tracker. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And then you're gonna like templates here. And you're gonna see the forms. And consultations. And emails. And if you want, I can just get to the templates. Cannot emails, these are like what you can reply to them if you're gonna like reply to your emails. So that's how we do it. And as you can see, we get to see the project here of YouTube. So thank you very much guys for watching. Again, if you can have any questions about the Dubsado, and if you want to like, this was like simple walkthrough of how you can use it and what you can find in Dubsado. If you want to have deeper tutorial, I can make it. Write it down below in the comments. So thank you very much guys for watching, and yep, have a great day and goodbye. And this is how you can use Dubsado.